Peace, family. So today we have a full body workout experience that we're gonna get in with my guy Cam back there in the back. We're gonna go through the entire workout, so make sure that you stick around for all of it. If you need to pause this video for whatever reason, to get water or just to take a longer break, feel free to do so. It's gonna be 5 different exercises, 10 reps for each exercise for 5 total rounds. First round, we got 10 regular push-ups, we got 10 mountain climbers, we got 10 bodyweight squats, we got 10 pull-ups, and then we're gonna end it with 10 calf raises. Again, if you feel the need to pause for whatever reason, do so. Just make sure you finish the reps. Round 2, we have 10 diamond push-ups, 10 V sit-ups, 10 jump squats, 10 calf raises, and 10 pull-ups. Round 2 complete. All right, so now we're on round 3. We've got 10 pike push-ups. We got 10 front lunges each side, 10 Russian twists, 10 calf raises. Also have 10 pull-ups. Order might be switched around when we actually start, but just follow along and you'll know what to do. complete. If you're enjoying the workout so far, be sure to like and subscribe for more calisthenics training videos, workouts, and exercises just like this. Now back to the workout. It is now round 4. We're gonna do 10 Mike Tyson push-ups, 10 mountain climbers, same as we did earlier, 10 alternating jump lunges, so similar to the lunges we just did, except you're jumping, similar to the jump squat, calf raises, and of course, we're gonna end it with 10 pull-ups. Let's get it. 3, 2, round. Last and final round. If you have made it this far, congratulations. You almost done. Let's kill it, end it with some intensity, and be proud of yourself. So this round, we've got 10 wide, so regular push-ups, 10 Russian twists. You can either do them elevated, like you saw earlier, where feet were off the ground, or keep them at your feet on the ground, but try to challenge yourself. This is the last round. You have Cossack squats, 10 calf raises. End it off again with your favorite thing, pull-ups. Let's get it. 2, 1, let's go. the end of this full body workout. I hope that you felt the burn in every which part of your body that we worked today. And if you didn't, that means you either didn't do enough reps or you ain't going hard enough, or a combination of them both. But for more content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop in the comments if you got something out of this workout, or just leave your feedback for future videos to come. With gratitude.